4 to 7 mm, rib type long span. Glazed tiles and trims, unglazed tiles, cement floor finish colored, non-slip finish, cement plaster finish, painting works, masonry or concrete, painting works wood, painting works steel, reflective insulation, PVC doors and frames, CHB non-load bearing including reinforcing steel 100 mm, CHB non-load bearing including reinforcing steel 150 mm, metal structure accessories turnbuckle, metal structure accessories bolts and rods, metal structure accessories sag rods, metal structure accessories cross bracing, metal structure accessories steel plates, structural steel trusses, structural steel purlins, and railings. Part F, electrical. This includes conduits, boxes, and fittings, wires and wiring devices, panel board with main and branch breakers, lighting fixtures. Part G, mechanical, we have water tank stainless. Part LC, drainage works, we have generator set. That's all, attorney.
Okay, appropriation, the same sa ano siya, no? The same sa ano siya.
ABC is 48.
Yeah.
Masig, ano ha, ang iyo, sa computation ninyo, okay na? Ang iyo, sige na lang. Okay, what else? Ilan siya kailangan ng rent of acquisition?
No, attorney.
Ano naman?
The site, yeah.
Yes, it's already available.
Provided by?
Same with the Madridejos, that it was already developed by the LGU.
LGU, so provided by the LGU, eh?
Yes.
Okay, what else? So, appropriations. Magkano no?
Funds is for, wala pinag-proportion of funds. So ito yung mga list of the projects is attached to this SAA.
Yes.
Not to bring it back.
Okay, ma'am. Next time I'll show you this first.
Okay, thank you. So let's now proceed to we have three projects more. These are all PWD, no? So the fourth one is entitled Construction, Rehabilitation, Improvement of Facilities for Persons with Disabilities and Elderlies, Senior Citizens, including Gender-Responsive Facilities, Region 7, Gender Inclusive Public Facilities Buildings, Barangay Biasong, Talisay City, Cebu. Okay, so Engineer Batikin, Tiffany, can you please discuss this?
For PWD project located at Barangay Biasong, Talisay City, Cebu, we have an ABC of 9,650,000 pesos. The scope of works contains, for Part A, facilities for the engineer, provision of furniture or fixtures, equipment, and appliances for the field office for the engineer. Part B, other general requirements. This includes permits and clearances, project billboard or signboard, occupational safety and health, mobilization or demobilization. Part C, earthwork. We have removal of structures and obstructions. Part G, mechanical. We have electric elevator up to 500 kilogram. Yes, ma'am. Then this have a contract duration of 60 calendar days.
Yeah, so I think this is already phase 3. Under construction.
With existing. So,
May PWD na siya, ma'am.
yes.
Wala ni. So PWD should be there.
Yeah, there's an existing and scope for the completion of the second.
There's
So kung
existing
sa maliit
elevator.
yung scope pa rin.
Elevator.
Elevator.
Yes,
Existing elevator, ma'am. Elevator, gibutan na
Ay,
already as the third release man kung sa
Alam mo naman sa mga elevator and building, natin building.
There's existing on-site attorney, then
Hindi siya renovation, kasi pasabot ni ma'am, hindi siya renovation sa existing na elevator.
new
New elevator.
New
So,
elevator.
ang PWD niya, di mo tangan sa elevator.
Bali ang building is with elevator, then buba,
tapos
then
Replacement.
there is
Bago na siya.
funds for
Okay.
placing in the new elevator.
Sige. So, funding, pakita ko sa funding pa yun. So, isa ka saa ang akong one saa for the 3 projects that I mentioned earlier, no?
Yes.
And these are specific areas, ha? Biasong? Kasi title na? Sa ano? Sa Public Facilities Building-Barangay Biasong.
Talisay City, Cebu.
Pero hindi na ito nag-end up ang title niya.
We've already adopted the title attorney, then we'll include also the SAA, construction or rehabilitation improvement of facilities.
Okay. So, next time, di na ito, although okay na siya na, but next time is just adopt specific na.
kung man nilantay ng agad nila
Sa finance.
As a finance? Okay, finance. Okay. Let's proceed to the second one. Go ahead if
Okay, for the PWD located at Barangay Bugho, Moalboal, Cebu, we have a project duration of 120 days and an ABC of 9,650,000 pesos. For the lot area, we have 609 square meters with parking and a floor area of the building alone with 322.3 square meters. For the scope of works, Part A, facilities of the engineer. This includes provision of field office for the engineer, rental basis, provision of living quarters for the engineer, rental basis, provision of furniture or fixtures, equipment and appliances for the field office for the engineer, operation and maintenance for the field office for the engineer. Part B, other general requirements, permits and clearances, project billboard or signboard, occupational safety and health, mobilization or demobilization. Part C, earthwork. We have structure excavation, common soil, embankment from roadway or structure excavation, common soil, gravel fill. Part D, reinforced concrete. We have structural concrete class A, 28 days, reinforcing steel deformed, grade 40, reinforcing steel deformed, grade 60, formworks and false works. Part E, finishing and other civil works, soil poisoning, catch basin, concrete, sewer line works, storm drainage and downspout, septic vault or tank, concrete or CHB, plumbing fixtures, cold water lines, ceiling 4.5 mm metal frame, fiber cement board, wall, finishing, hardware, steel doors and frames, aluminum glass windows, sliding type, aluminum glass windows, awning type, aluminum glass windows, fixed type, tempered glass 6 mm, fabricated metal roofing accessory, gauge 26 flashing, fabricated metal roofing accessory, gauge 24 gutters, repainted metal sheets above 0.427 mm, rib type long span, glazed tiles and trims, unglazed tiles, cement plaster finish, painting works masonry or concrete, painting works steel, reflective insulation, CHB non-load bearing including reinforcing steel 100 mm, CHB non-load bearing including reinforcing steel 150 mm, structural steel trusses, structural steel purlins, metal structure accessories, sub-rods, conduits, boxes, and fittings. For Part F, electrical, conduits, boxes, and fittings, wires and wiring devices, panel board with main and branch breakers, lighting fixtures, and grounding system. That's all, attorney.
Thank you. I have a question. Pila ka floors niya? Ano? Pila ka floors niya? Okay. Elevator?
Elevator. There's two parts of the building, attorney. So for the part A building, we have 2 stops. So for second floor. And then for part C building, the building C, we have 3 stops.
Diba? Akala tulog po rin yung elevator?
No, attorney. Only the Biasong, Talisay.
Biasong nga. Okay. So, okay. Kita naman yun sa funding source, no? At sa location, basta exact lang ka, ha?
So
Exact
that's
location.
already.
Yes.
Next is, the last one is construction, rehabilitation, improvement of facilities for persons with disabilities, PWD, and elderly senior citizens, including gender-responsive facilities, Unit 7, facilities for persons with disabilities, vocational and livelihood training facilities, buildings, Barangay Poblacion, 1, Carcar City, Cebu. Okay? Take it away, Engineer Tiffany.
Thank you, attorney. For the PWD located at Barangay Poblacion 1, Carcar City, Cebu, we have a contract duration of 120 calendar days and project cost ABC of 9,650,000 pesos with floor area of 166.5 square meters. For the scope of works, Part A, facilities for the engineer, we have provision of field office for the engineer rental basis, provision of living quarters for the engineer rental basis, provision of furniture or fixtures, equipment and appliances for the field office for the engineer, operation and maintenance of field office for the engineer. Part B, other general requirements. We have permits and clearances, project billboard or signboard, occupational safety and health, mobilization or demobilization, ramps. Part C, earthwork. We have removal of structures and obstructions, structure excavation, common soil, embankment from roadway or structure excavation, common soil, gravel fill. Part D, we have reinforced concrete, structural concrete 4,000 PSI Class A, 28 days, reinforcing steel deformed grade 40, reinforcing steel deformed grade 60, formworks and false works. Part E, finishing and other civil works, we have soil poisoning, catch basin concrete, sewer line works, storm drainage and downspout, septic vault or tank, CHB or concrete, plumbing fixtures, cold water lines, ceiling 4.5 mm metal frame, fiber cement board, finishing hardware, aluminum glass windows, sliding type, aluminum glass windows, awning type, doors, wood panel, roll-up door, aluminum, fabricated metal roofing accessory, gauge 26, flashing, fabricated metal roofing accessory, gauge 24, gutters, pre-painted metal sheets above 0.427 mm rip type, long span, glazed tiles and trims, unglazed tiles, cement plaster finish, painting works, masonry or concrete, painting works wood, painting works steel, reflective insulation, PVC doors and frames, CHB non-load bearing including reinforcing steel 100 mm, CHB non-load bearing including reinforcing steel 150 mm, metal structures accessories, bolts and rods, metal structure accessories sub-rods, metal structure accessories steel plates, structural steel trusses, structural steel purlins, and railing. For Part F, electrical, we have conduits, boxes and fittings, wires and wiring devices, panel board with main and branch breakers, lighting fixtures, and grounding system. That's all, attorney.
Okay, thank you, Tiffany. Again, this is source of funds, exact location lang.
Yes, attorney.
Okay. So, do you have any questions from the back, the resident user?
Since this is building for disabled persons, have you provided ramps for the stairs nila? Parang hindi ito one story access na.
Yes, ma'am, we have ramps at the Part B, other general requirements ramps. Then the ramps also have like the tiles for the blind.
Okay. Guide.
Yes.
Okay. So, there's something more? No, none? None? So it appears that all the projects we have discussed today are already ripe for procurement. So, ato na siyang i-ITV. Okay? Okay, so now we're done with today's agenda. So, if napamila i-discuss, ma'am, there being none. So, do I hear a motion?
I move to adjourn.
Okay, so, with that, I hereby declare there's a motion, duly seconded. With that, I hereby declare this pre-procurement conference as adjourned. So, thank you everyone. So, see you during the pre-bidding conference.